All right, people, this is Chris Sussman, otherwise known as the Barbecue Buddha, and we're back today cooking something delicious on the LoCo 36-inch precision griddle. Today, I'm gonna do one of my favorite dishes. It is kimchi fried rice. If you don't know what kimchi is, it's a standard staple in Korean cooking. It's a whole lot of delicious. It's a fermented cabbage that's gonna go in this rice. I have some day-old rice right here, some white parts of the green onions, lots of garlic, butter, gochujang, of course the kimchi, the diced kimchi, green onion for garnish, butter, and some sesame oil. This dish is really simple. We're also going to finish it off with a fried egg. I brought 3 fried eggs out here because I have yet to do an egg on the LoCo Griddle, so I'm hoping that I get it on the first try, but I'm giving myself 3 chances to get this right today. For this cook, I've got 3 zones set up. I've got the far left set to sear. That's the highest setting on the Smart Temp griddle. The middle, I have a medium heat, about 400 degrees, and look how precise that temperature control is. It goes up and down as it's managing the smart temp on this griddle. And then the far right I have set to low. That way I can move things back and forth on this griddle surface. I'm gonna start out with a little bit of vegetable oil to get the griddle surface nice and lubed up, and then we'll start stir frying. I'm gonna put the white parts of the green onion. So there's a sliced green onion is gonna go right on the griddle top. Next, I'm going to put the garlic. I have 3 or 4, actually it's about 4 really big cloves of garlic that I have minced up. I'm going to put that in right with the onion. We're going to let this cook for just a minute or 2 until the onions become translucent and the garlic becomes fragrant. Next, we're going to put in the kimchi. There's also a little bit of juice in there with the kimchi to help with the flavor and the aromatics in the rice. Next, we're going to put in the day-old white rice. It's about 2.5 cups. Next, I'm going to mix in a little bit of butter. That's going to give it some texture, some richness, some creaminess. Who doesn't like butter? Next up is gochujang. Gochujang is a fermented, spicy, and sweet bean paste from Korean cuisine. It's going to give it rich umami flavor, a little bit of heat, a little bit of sweet, and color. Look at that beautiful red color. Okay. All right, that fried egg is looking pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and scoop this kimchi fried rice in the bowl. Now we're gonna pour a little sesame oil all over the top of that kimchi fried rice. Look at that one try fried egg on the LoCo Griddle. I don't know about you people, but look at that kimchi fried rice. Look at how good that looks. Don't you want a big bowl full? Yes. All right, people, quick and easy, just the way I like it. I love the LoCo Griddle because you can fire it up and get to cooking really quick. And with a recipe like this, as soon as you're done with your prep, 15 minutes later, you are eating a delicious meal. I have made this wonderful kimchi fried rice. Look at that egg with the crispy bits around the side, the gochujang, that crispy rice, the kimchi. This is a well-balanced, delicious stir fry or fried rice for your griddle top from the Barbecue Buddha. I think you know what time it is, people. It's Buddha Bite time. If you like what you saw today and you want to see more, subscribe, hit the buttons, do all the things. Leave me a comment below, give me some love, and enjoy this recipe for the LoCo Griddle kimchi fried rice with the Barbecue Buddha.